the National Civil Society Congress has supported the recently released Truth, Justice and Reconciliation Commission report. The civil society group is now demanding the immediate implementation of the recommendations made in the report. At a press conference, the National Civil Society Congress Chairman Maurice Odhiambo says those adversely mentioned in the report over human rights violations and other historical injustices should be held accountable.
So we are saying that instead of people beginning to now highlight issues that we were trying to deal with 3 years ago, it's time for us as a country to say, here is the report, we asked for it, we are ready for it. Let's now say, how are we going to implement it for the benefit of the Kenyan people? And where apologies are required, we don't even know why it should take a lot of time to do that. I can offer, for example, to write the speech for the president to give an apology on behalf of the institutions, so that then the process can start rolling. We think it is extremely important as a country that we deal with those issues that have been highlighted so that we move forward. If we do not deal with them, we will have gone back to the period before the National Accord. So let's remember that it is the National Accord that gave us all these institutions, and they were created for a purpose, to help us to move forward. So if we fail to implement, we will be failing to adhere to the National Accord, which we negotiated ourselves at Serena.